Today we'll be talking about how to double your landscaping profits using Automatic Mower. My biggest goal here in this YouTube channel is to share everything I know to help you grow your landscaping business. Whether you are just starting or have millions in yearly revenue, you will find a ton of value here. We'll be sharing all the tips, tricks, and insights I've learned over my 16-year career in the business, most of which I've only shared with my most trusted inner circle. We will be discussing the following topics in detail: benefits of automatic mowers, how to incorporate automatic mowers into your business, how to overcome customers' objections to the use of automatic mowers, dealing with top customer concerns, examples of clients that would best benefit from automatic mowers, how automatic mowers can help you grow your business. Before we dive into the exact specifics on how to double your landscaping business using automatic mowers, I want to say a huge thank you to you and anyone that hits the like button and leaves a comment down below. First, let's get into the benefits of automatic mowers. They're green and environmentally friendly. You'll see increased profitability, increased efficiency. It's going to help you solve your labor issues, and it's going to eliminate environmental pressure. So the next question is, what model do you use in your current landscaping business? Are you a self-performer, or do you subcontract the work out to other professionals? There is a way forward for both professionals. If you're a self-performer, I'm going to teach you how to finance the units, put them into your daily operations, move people over from your current mowing service and have them turn into robotic maintenance professionals. If you are someone that subcontracts the work, there are other models out there that will allow you to lease the units and keep them off your balance sheet. Let's talk about how to best familiarize yourself with the automatic mowers so you can talk knowledgeably with your customers about them. The way my brother and I got started was I put a mower at my house and a mower at my brother's house. Then we picked a couple of managers and we put the mowers out at their houses. This was a way for everyone to give their opinion on how the robots work at their property, and there was zero pressure to the organization, but it was a great way for us to learn and to get key members of our staff to embrace the technology. Simply put, automatic mowers are just another solution that you've added to your business portfolio. If you listen to my tips and tricks, you should be able to make money day one with your robots and enter into super profit mode in year 5. Proper maintenance and installation are key to your success. Be strategic about the first locations. Think of it as much as marketing as cost savings. As a matter of fact, some of the professionals I've been working with have been using their marketing funds internally to buy their first group of robots. Find a great commercial property with large amount of traffic and set a sign out with your phone number and be prepared to set up more sites once your phone starts ringing. I need to specify the larger the property, the bigger the splash. Specify that your team will always be looking for ways to work more efficiently and save the client money. The client is going to be looking for ways to make it cheaper. We're going to tie their cost savings into the multi-year contract by teaching you to know how to calculate the typical increase of a yearly contract and identify that cost to the consumer by entering that long-term agreement with your company. It's important to note that just having the machines on site gives the consumer a constant feeling of being serviced. For homeowners associations, we can really focus on how quiet the solution is, and through our work with AGSA and quiet communities, we can create green zones for the customer. It's important to emphasize to our customers that automatic mowers give us more time to focus on the detail work. We need to make sure that we have a solid understanding of what we're offering before taking it up with the client, because they'll likely have many questions right from the start. So let's talk about dealing with those top customer concerns. First, let's talk about safety. There are currently thousands of work-related injuries with the current mowing solution we have in the United States. But in Europe, where these have been out since 1995, there have been 0 cases of any injuries reported from automatic mowers. Why, you may ask? Because most injuries are actually from human error. The solutions that we're going to be speaking about all conform to European safety protocols. European safety protocols have a mechanical means of reversing the mower. Also, much like a cordless drill, once the mower is lifted, they automatically stop, much like taking your finger off the trigger of a cordless drill. Blades are safely tucked away far back in the undercarriage of the machine. Let's talk about theft. Let's face it, Thieves are smart, much smarter than most people give them credit for. And most do their research before they steal something. This is why we use machines that are equipped with GPS, so they know to leave them alone to avoid getting caught. For those thieves that don't do their research, I'm sorry, but you're gonna take us right to your den. Also, they won't be able to use them because of unique serial numbers and PIN numbers, and each unit is linked to a base station with a dedicated channel. So even if they steal the robot, they have to go back for the base station. If mowers are picked up, they sound an alarm. If they're carried over the boundary wire, the users will be able to see them and record precisely the time they left their geofence. So let's talk about how to set them up for your customers. Which automatic mower manufacturers do you consider? The brand is less important than the acreage that you're trying to mow. Specifically, Husqvarna makes a unit that can mow 70-degree slopes, but can only do 9/10 of an acre. Echo Robotics makes a unit that can mow up to 6 acres, but can only handle 16 to 18 degrees of slope. This is why I'll always recommend looking at the site, zoning the site, and then deciding what robots you need to officially mow with. And what we're looking for is the robot that has the cheapest cost per acre to the professional. This is done by using a blended approach, and in my opinion, in the future, you will see many professionally landscaped sites with all different brands of automatic mowers on the same site. Many end users get hung up on the initial upfront investment, looking to bring these machines into their fleet. As landscape professionals, we need to use this to our benefit. I'm here to teach you that the professional needs to take the opportunity to convert the work we already have to robotics, so the end user continue to use the landscape professional to cut their grass. How can automatic mowers help you grow your business? I can tell you personally, the only thing keeping me from doing 50 million in landscaping is finding great people. I don't know about you, but personally, I don't just look for people with a heartbeat. I look for people who can wear my brand well. And let's face it, guidance counselors in high school are not telling kids to get good grades to go sit on a lawnmower the rest of their life. Simply put, robotic mowers are scalable clones that have never existed in the industry until now. What robotics offers to the professional is scale. What do I mean by this? Let me put it simple. I purchase automatic mowers and deploy them in my current company. I know exactly what I can expect and what I can't expect. So let's talk about what I can expect. They will cut the acreage for what the manufacturer designed them for. That's something I can expect. They will mow in the rain. I can expect it to mow the slopes it was designed for. I can expect it to mow daily. I can expect it to mow quietly, safely, and electrically without any emissions. What I can't expect it to do is to provide line trimming. It won't trim my bushes on the property. So why would I go into these obvious things that a robotic mower won't do? I can't tell you how many professionals have said, when it's a full solution, I'll get involved. We have to look at our trailers as we sit right now. They have dozens of tools. It has not stopped any of us from getting involved in the landscaping industry. Just putting this out there so that I can change that mindset. Use them for what they do, and it's mowing turf. If you enjoy the ideas that I shared here, please smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about any follow-up questions you have on this video, or even another topic you'd like us to discuss. Again, our biggest goal here is to help you grow your landscaping business. Thanks for tuning in, and stay classy, everyone.